Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So I am not feeling terribly crash hot today, which is why it's good that I have a couple of things I can just really throw together. So Kroger had this Caesar salad with chicken on special. It's just lettuce, chicken, meat, a little bit there, Parmesan cheese, garlic butter flavored croutons, and Caesar dressing. Now this is a multi-serve bowl, but I'm gonna have, that is gonna basically be my meal, so I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna finish that. Yes, hi Sakura. So Sakura is gonna get a piece of cooked chicken once this is done. This is a 3-ounce piece of chicken. I'm just gonna cook extra. And then this is the Greek salad that I meal prepped a couple of days ago. So the recipe for this is in the description, and you'll see the ingredient count in the recipe card with that. And basically, I'm going to cook the chicken in the microwave. I can't be bothered to sort of do anything else with it. So I'm going to cook the chicken in the microwave with a little bit of the tamarind powder, and then it's just going to be putting everything together and feeding Sakura. I couldn't find my tongs, so I just dropped her piece of chicken in there, and target acquired. All right, it has gotten late, and so I need to do some dinner. And all I'm going to do is, this is some of the beef that I marinated yesterday for making the tteokbokki, and this is what's left of that. I'm going to cook probably about half of this with some mushrooms and some peas, and then I have some whole wheat egg noodles, and I'm just going to do like a steak and mushroom and pea pasta. I'm going to use cream of mushroom soup as the sauce, so there's really not a whole lot to this. I'm going to cook the egg noodles, and then I will cut up the mushrooms, cook that with the steak, combine it all with probably about half a can of cream of mushroom. I'll put a bit of water in there. Oh, I have some chicken stock. I might put some chicken broth in there. And then I have some sugar snaps that don't look the best, but believe it or not, these are the good ones. I did my first grocery pickup. I've never done that before, especially not for produce, because I tend to like to pick my own produce. And this bag, about a third of the bag was starting to get fuzzy. So I picked those out and I washed everything really well, and this is kind of what's left. So I will probably cook what I want out of this, and then put the rest in my chicken scrap bag. I don't have chickens. My neighbor has chickens, and I take him the scraps to give to them. Okay, so steak, mushroom, and pea pasta with some sugar snaps as the side. That is everything. Snacky snack. This is a 4.5 ounce lemon Noosa, 480 calories.